Hakahan Riutrik Unai Wing Arhaja Arpulai Habok Jilla Meghalaya ke National Cadet Corps Kalayo Aban Rakhi ke Jingdap Nyopusan Snem Hakaba Kiladan Artili ki program ki balar Kieker Pangi ke Nigasngi Kaway Hanong Ba Shillong Bat Kaway Pat Hajawai ke headquarter jong West Giant Hills District. Ha Shillong la sakhi ke Jingwan Shimbinta jong Menteri Rangba u Konrad ki Sangma u balakawe lama ke NCC North Eastern Region ka rally na Susutham Auditorium Shillong. Ha ke Jingadan ringkat lang u Chairman ke State Planning Board u ba Met ba Lingdo u Major General Gagandeep ADG NCC Directorate North Eastern Region u Ram Suresh Akela Executive Director of Marketing Maruti Suzuki India Limited, u Commissioner Secretary, u Director General of Meghalaya Police, ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills bat Kyrwoh. Haka North Eastern Region car rally ki be shimminta ki dan hadok har arthli ki kali Jimny, jongka company Maruti Suzuki, haringkat Kyrwoh ki kali ki bla North Sinyang daga Maruti Suzuki. Bat kini ki kali kin hab Ïaid killing ki jilla jongka than chitay lammingi, light no ka jilla Manipur, but on penkut hanong ba Guwahati haka ngi rakhi ke NCC de haba ai jing kren Menteri Rangba ula ai ke jingero e ka kar rally ka ba ulong maka long ka bakit jingmut na mar ka plela de ki samla bikin yo ban yakindo e ki pat ba Nongshong Shnong ru jangki we ki jilla bat ru ban pensngo halor ki babun ki program ki ba ka sarkar jilla kala dep an pintrai kam ki ba long ka jingmen toy ki samla
bring it to the notice of our Major General that even our state government is doing a large number of programs, especially for the youth of our state. Programs that have not been done in the past. Programs that are specifically meant to actually nurture and channelize the energy of the youth in the right direction. They just give a passing remark of a program called Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program. And you'll be happy to know that in season 1, because we're in season 2 now, in season 1 we had 1,500 of our youth artists who were given a platform to perform, were paid for it, and got an opportunity to sing in front of the public and in front of tourists in different cafes, in different tourist locations. And this year we plan to double that and try to touch about 3,000 artists. And it's a really successful program because the youth and most of our youths in the region and in Meghalaya state are into music. And hence they really enjoy it and it really gives them a platform to move forward. Another very important program that we have is what we call Yes Meghalaya. Again, it's a youth-oriented program where we support different youth groups. Approximately 3,000 groups are being supported as we speak, and we hope to touch about 10,000 groups. And the idea is you can do any program you want, any music program if you want to organize, any sports program you want to organize, any social activity you want to do, any kind of environmental activity you want to do. The government of Meghalaya will support you up to 1 lakh rupees to do these programs, and as I said, we have supported close to 3,000 groups, and we want to go up to 10,000. Maybe NCC can work, and these different groups, the 10,000 cadets that you have, if they can be organized, and the funds that we are giving to the youth in any case, we don't mind increasing it, because it's something that is good for the youth and for the state and for the nation as a whole. And so I would be very happy if we could explore that option where we could start maybe working together, because it looks like, and we can clearly see that our goals, targets and objectives are very, very similar in trying to, as I said, channelize the energy and create responsible citizens for our state and patriotic citizens for our state. I was very happy to see the way the cultural program was tailored. If you noticed, I don't know how far you could read into it. The two aspects, apart from the confidence building, the discipline, the talent, there was a lot of stress on the fact that you have to know your culture and your identity and the uniqueness and be proud of what you are.
Ki kali Ïaid rally ki bla mi na nong ba Shillong shwa ba kin le Kyrwoh ki jilla kila sangi bat yu kejat nong ba juwai hak yang nong ba government college ya ka ba kala don geji kendu bat ki samla ba sha hi kai NCC jom ki school ki college ba phe bla pedang song baharu ye ki ringkat geji don lang ki no hi kai o Major General Gagandeep Additional Director General ADG of NCC Northeast Region haba aijing kren ulong kadon kam man ngau thu ba ka jing Kiew kari kan long la da ki Nongshong Shnong ki Kiew but ki Nongshong Shnong ru kin Kiew tang la da ka ri ka Kiew but ya chakmat kabamut hab dan lang bai ka jing day nak ta ka daw ka motu jong ka NCC ru ka long dan kam bha ha ka jing em ka baong unity and discipline.
The 75 years of NCC, what we have to understand is that the nation will only develop and progress if you all develop and progress. And you all, each individual will only progress in life if the nation is progressing. So it's a interlinked thing, and that's why the motto of NCC is most important for us throughout a life: unity and discipline. Some of you might know, most of you would not know. Even I was a NCC cadet in junior division, of course, 8th, 9th class. And that time somebody had told me this meaning and concept of unity and discipline, which I try and tell every cadet I meet in or NER. Unity signifies strength, and progress is only through strength. If we are divided, the people who are opposite to us, against us, who don't want our development, can break us faster. So the progress of future of each one of us is dependent on unity. And second is discipline. Lot of us confuse discipline with the mode or the way of discipline. That's like drill and other issues. These are the methods to teach you discipline. The true discipline, lot of cadets who have heard me know this. True discipline is actually from inside. When you are not wearing NCC uniform, or you are an ex-cadet, you have gone beyond NCC, passed your C certificate, nobody is observing you, nobody knows who you are. And at that point in life, you have two ways to do a work. One is the hard but the correct way, and one is the easy but the wrong way. And the true discipline will be when your inner voice tells you to choose the right way, and you choose the right way. That is what is discipline. And discipline has to be developed in each facet, each aspect of a life, right from giving adequate time for your studies, which should remain your primary focus at least for next few years, because it's only academic excellence which will get you success in life or start the success story of life. So whether you devote time for studies, devote time for playing, devote time for relaxing, everything has to be regimented in a disciplined way. Only then you can succeed. If while studying you are thinking about playing, and while playing you are worried about studies, then you will not excel in either of them.
Hakani kasngi la yoalat ru bani kren bet ki khana sha hi kai NCC ki ban po jowai ki blei thu ya ka daw pen longi ki ban kwa rung NCC de namar ba ka jingrap iki ha ga jing de ba ka kam tre shipai tre pulet ka ba ki la don jing ang not na lor ba ki yoalat ru ban don benta ha ki lat ai jing kai ba prepare ka be rap ru iki ha ka jing em ka ba man la kasngi.
I want to become like those army officers or the police force officers. That's what inspires me to join NCC. And secondly is because the way they present themselves was so disciplined, and that also inspires me to join NCC.
Niliang ham ga celebration 75 years yang ke NCC. The chibon ha mod kater yo chibon ha wi chamagi tigi cadets. The tharaya jan dang yo chibon experience nang chikmat. ki kenja platform audio online ka special camp cepo Andhra Pradesh te wogsi ATC ke umani hapo lekor dia ARPS Shillong usna mo join yang NCC to no do arja rapuwi te katula les na mo katte man lek seniors ini college ngi man lek first batch ini po ke NCC te kedau pemaning II wo yinga ro kam mo join yang NCC to em ngthong wo lai ki part yang ki army to ira ko chibono wa hagite ki kam di army chibon experience ro yo anagi NCC PG pair wa chem I ha em ha NCC la ne gum MNI to ha NCC chibon ha yo I discipline gi ro I ta sai vile la da MI gi chau chaban to NCC ban dang em word like you da em dang dunai tai vi ang kam ong ha NCC MNI bun ha gi jing men to yo I